So guys, down inside the charger we have seen before where we see the greenish stuff down inside the charger. If water got in your charger, you need to be careful, especially those of you who eat around while charging your device. You don't want to get your charger in your drink or your food and then plug it in your phone. It will cause a lot of problems. Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video we are going to talk about moisture detection issue with your Samsung Galaxy S24, S25 and also the S25 Ultra and the S24 Ultra. So what happened is, guys, one of the first thing you want to do is to inspect your charging port. Most of the time a person might think that all is well, but the reason you're having this moisture detection, it's mainly because there's some sort of water in the port, even though if you can't see with your naked eyes. I can tell you this from experience. Also, there's another issue which can cause this problem is the sensor that controls the moisture detection, right? This sensor can malfunction, and I was able to fix that issue using the force restart method. So you can literally see that the phone is charging here, and so you can see that the phone is charging here and it's charging with the super fast charging, right? So if you're having this issue, I'm going to tell you the things that you need to look for. But also, for you to fix this, you need to press the volume down button and the power button, and you need to restart your device. If this is a minor thing, this will most likely fix the issue. So you allow your device to start up. When you do the force restart, that enables you to clear the motherboard, reset the motherboard, clear the memory. So if it's a minor thing, guys, that definitely will help. So I'm just waiting for the phone to boot up. So guys, if water is in your charging port and for whatever reason you have used a blow dryer or a heat gun or a hot air gun or whatever you call it, what happens sometimes is that it will actually help you vaporize the water. But what happens at times, and I'm speaking this from experience as well, you will find that you will get a problem where, so I have a video here that you can see, and let me pause that video. I did this video recently. You can find that the corrosion that will cause with the electricity and the water, this thing will mess your phone port up. And what the corrosion does, it actually connect the two pins on the charging port together. This was actually a job I was doing, and I think this one was S20. I was successful in removing all the corrosion on the charging port, right guys? So that's what I'm saying. If you have this type of corrosion on your charging port, the problem will never go away. So you need to get this cleaned, or you need to get your charging port replaced, or you can get the entire charging board replaced, which is easier. So definitely it is your choice, and as I'm telling you guys, these are the ways in how you can fix the moisture detection issue with your Samsung Galaxy phones. Most of the time, for the amount of phones that I worked on, the user will always tell me that the phone always in a safe place away from water. Definitely guys, I'm telling you what to look for. You will never see in this charging port, you will never see. But if I have to if I have to use my Motorola phone and I'm going to do a video, I just want to show you guys something. So if you have some sort of magnifying glass or some sort of cell phone with the capability of zooming in enough, you can see how inside of your charging port is looking. I think this charging port needs some cleaning. So guys, that's how you can do it. That's how you can do it. It's very hard to see with your naked eyes. Just as I showed you, even though I use a light to help me and I am trying to look down inside the port, I still will not see on the pins. So guys, again guys, if you think that no water is in your charging port, there is a reason why you're having that moisture detection. It's either water or moisture, or it's either the sensor on the charging board is bad and it's malfunctioning. And guys, if this video was helpful, let me know in the comment section. If you need any help or if you have any advice or anything like that, you can let me know. I'll reply and I'll let you know. So guys, if you're new here, do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.